Hey, this is Francois, and I was quite amazed recently by the latest improvement on Microsoft Forms. So here I have a simple form, I would say. I'm going to add some questions to my form. So for instance, most frequently purchased, something like this. I just add a few questions very quickly. That's very easy to do with Microsoft Forms, we know that. But what is most interesting now is that when you are in the form, you are going to collect the response. But another thing you can do is you go to settings and look at the advanced options we have. So I'm going to say that this one is anyone can respond. Yeah, so anyone on the internet, you don't need to be logged in. But now the new option is that you can actually let people edit their own response. So it's going to, without a login, let the person modify this. So how does it work? Well, simply, your user will just need to log in into Microsoft, and then they will be able to save it within their account, even if they have a free account, actually. So later they can come back and edit the same entry. Pretty cool.